Logical operators. In addition to the operators already mentioned, we will use logical operators so that in combination with the control structures, we can create decisions that provide a solution to our needs. In the table, you can see the logical operators with which we will be working. Unless we want to work with bits, ones and zeros, we will normally use the AND and OR operators in short circuit mode. In the following table, we will explain what this means. Truth table of logical operators. In the figure, we can see the application of the logical operators and the truth table that applies to each operator. This table must be known by heart, since it is what we'll be applying when we use the logical operators. The 1 means true, and the 0 means false. However, it's not difficult to memorize. The only thing we have to apply is the following. In the case of the operator AND, the result will be true only if both values are true. Otherwise, the final result will be false. In the case of the OR operator, the result will be true if any of the operands X or Y is true. Above, we mentioned the AND and short circuit OR operators. What it means is that if it's detected that the result no longer makes sense to evaluate it, for example, if the operator AND the evaluation of the operand on the left side is false, then the whole expression will be false, and the remaining operand will no longer be evaluated. And in the case of the OR operator, if the operand on the left side is true, therefore the other operand on the right side is no longer evaluated, because the whole result will be true. And in the case of the negation operator, the only thing it does is to invert the original value of the operand. So it will be very simple to apply this truth table for each of the operators if we apply the rules described. In the next exercises, we will practice this kind of operators in combination with the control structures. Relational operators. When using the decision structures, we will find the need to compare values. That's why we will use different types of operators for this. Relational operators are listed on the figure, and we will put them into practice in combination with the decision structures in the following exercises.